Welcome to Disney's All-Star Sports.
We actually ended up here by accident. After our flight got canceled, we needed a last-minute room and booked Disney's cheapest hotel, All-Star Sports. We weren't expecting much, but even my mother-in-law ended up enjoying it. So let me show you what Disney's cheapest resort room looks like and what you get for that price.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's vlog, I am showing you Walt Disney World's cheapest resort. I'm giving you a little room tour so you can decide if this is the right resort for you and your family. All right, let's get into it.
Unicorn. That's
Alright, we're in 3341. This is our view.
This one.
When you walk in, there's your Hey Disney friend. He's in all the Disney resorts. If you don't feel comfortable with Disney having your information, you can just disable it right here. It usually is set to disabled. We usually put ours on so we could ask it like to send things. We could tell it jokes, we could tell the weather, all the things. And then here is another outlet with a USB, and they actually have one of the newer ones too. And then this is another little space where you could put your phone, or there's a nice little card table in here. This is my little 4-year-old Lucia. It's a nice little card table, and at night this turns into another queen bed. So this is a Murphy. I'm gonna have to put it down later to show you, but it basically just folds down. If you watch any of my other room tour videos, you'll know they're all pretty much standard, just like Pop Century. Now over here we have additional plugs, 2 regular plugs, and then it almost looks like they even have a European one actually on this one, which is kind of cool. And then they have the 2 USB ports, and we have another little pocket where you could put things like, I guess, a tablet or whatnot. And this is your queen bed. They're very comfortable. Even I've stayed at All Stars before. Very comfortable. A nice little pop art. And here we have another little nightstand with another 2 ports, a USB, and one of the new, I don't know what they call that, USB-C. Alright, so over here is your shower. We have some nice glass doors, which is great because I'm not a fan personally of the shower curtains in some of the resorts, even though the theming is adorable, but I just am not a fan. Alright, so over here we have the formerly known as H2O products. We have another little thing where you could put your shampoo that you might have brought. Alright, and we have 3 sets of towels, and we have a sliding barn door with a full-length mirror. Hi. These are great. So you have a little bit of privacy, and someone can go to the bathroom while you might be getting ready. Now, this is just a regular sink. We don't have the double sink vanity here. It's just a single. Now they've given us an iron and a hair dryer, and there's additional shelving to put your makeup bag. There's actually a lot of considerable storage here. And additional for makeup bag and anything else like medicine or something that you want to keep out of your children's reach. And what they're starting to do with all the resorts, because they stopped giving value resorts the lotion and stuff that you would find at the deluxe in the past. Now they're just giving everybody these full size to use while you're here, and it smells good if you've never been there before. All right, and then all the resorts at Disney actually come with this nice vanity mirror. All right, and then we have a room here for an adjoining if you happen to be traveling with grandparents or something and don't want your own room, but you still want them to be close with the kids. That's always good. Here we have a nice little coat hanger section where you can hang your swimsuits. Now, one thing I want to mention, because I didn't know this until about a couple years ago, is there is additional drying rack thing. That little guy next to, if you could see it right next to the little bullseye thing next to the faucet, it pulls into a clothing line. You just grab it and you pull it, and the string will come out, and you could attach it right here. So you could hang all of your family swimsuits when you're out of the pool.
Wow.
All right. Now we have our welcome sign here. We're traveling today with my mother-in-law, and we have a nice area here on top of the cabinets to put your packing cube. So it looks like we have 2 USBs on both sides with, again, the new USB-C port as well as the regular standard USB. What do you want? Now we have 3 standard size drawers, pretty decent space, I would say, for packing cubes for your family. And in here we have extra pillow and blankets. Oh, they've put the Bible here. That's a new spot. Usually you have that next to the bed. We have a safe. Be very careful with kids with doing that. My daughter had an episode last year in the cruise ship, and it locked us out with being able to access our room stuff. Okay, so here's an overhead lighting. Again, there's more USB plugs and standard plugs there. We have the garbage can here. We have a mini fridge. Okay, I love you too, Mama. Okay, now over here, beverage cooler means it cools to 41 degrees. It's not going to get things like milk or yogurt super cold, so just be careful with that. It's going to basically get your water chilled and your soda. All right, and then here it comes with a coffee maker, and they've given us Joffrey's coffee and some tea if you prefer tea, and they've given us only 2 cups, so you might have to ask for more if you're a big coffee drinker. Ice bucket, additional space for things you want to keep your purse or your fanny pack or whatever up there. And then the thermostat, and this is our view with the window. Alright, I think that's gonna about do it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed the video. If we're not already friends, please go ahead and give this a like and stick around, subscribe. It really does help support the channel, and we'll see you in the next one or at Disney. Thanks for watching. Bye! Bye.
I've been